Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's my world, it's your world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing a $50 paint job on my Dodge Charger.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Are you out of your goddamn mind?
This is highly controversial. A lot of people say you shouldn't use spray paint to paint your car with, but I've actually used this paint before and it came out nice. So I'm gonna use it again. And it's my car, I paid for it, so I'm gonna do what the fuck I wanna do. So this is what I'm using right here. I got 5 cans of this RUSTOLEUM metallic silver metal paint. I got 3 cans of this clear coat, crystal clear enamel, and then I got 2 cans of this flat protective enamel, flat black, that's going for the roof. It's been several hours later. I sanded the car down with 400 grit. I wet sanded it. I taped everything off, covered everything up. Now I'm gonna hit it with this right here. Paint wipe, preparation wipe, paint prep wipe. And then after I hit it with the wipe, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting it. So
Three days later.
I'm in my car right now. The paint is dry. It's been a few days later. This car paint project has quickly elevated in price. I had to get a couple more cans of paint. I got 4 more cans of paint, so that brought the price from $50 to $75. So now this is a $75 car project. But when I was in Walmart the other day, I saw this right here. Which is basically a buffer, and it was only 20 bucks, so I couldn't turn it down. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you how the paint job is. It came out pretty good. There's a few streaks in the paint, a little bit of orange peel. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wet sand it, and then I'm gonna use this. And I got some McGuire's compound right here, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I'm gonna wet sand it, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of this and the buffer and see how it comes out, and then we're gonna see the final results of it. But I'm gonna show y'all right now what it's looking like. So it's not terrible. It's not terrible, but it's not real good either. Honestly, you can kind of see some streaks. You can kind of see the streaks right there. A little bit of streaks right there. You know, honestly, I'm kind of disappointed, but it's not the worst. It's actually pretty good. It's just some streaks here and there that I don't like. As you can see from a distance, it don't look bad though. I don't think too many people will be able to tell. You know. Heck. Honestly, it's not too bad. I feel like a lot of people won't notice. You know, it's not too noticeable. But at the same time, it's trash, bro. I don't like it. I hate it. It was a mistake. I shouldn't have did it.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy.
But the good thing is I'm gonna get it wrapped, and it's my car. I could pay. I could do whatever the fuck I want to do with it because it's my car. I paid for it. So if I want to do a project on it and it don't come out right, fuck it. I'll fix it. I'll get it wrapped. But that was the intentions behind it anyway. I was already planning to get it wrapped anyway. So you know, I just wanted to just do a little project on it before I get it wrapped, so y'all can see how it come out, just in case you might be thinking how to do this, you know, for yourself. And if I had done this in a garage, if I had a garage, I think using the can would have came out a lot better. But you know, it is what it is. I'm in the open space, you know, wind blowing or whatever. It came out pretty good though. I think it's the best results you can possibly get. It is what it is, and we're gonna get it wrapped, so be looking out for that video. Go ahead, hit the like, share, subscribe, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you turn on the post notifications, and stay tuned in, because we got a lot more content coming, a lot more mods coming. And you know, we in the MOPAR gang, so you know, we might be doing some ride out soon, so just stay tuned in.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel, and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel, and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad. And she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk. Actually, yo bitch added me. She all